Hello.
Who's Riley?
And
that's Addie, and that's Riley. Hey, Sky.
Hi, Uncle Andrew.
You guys can go ring the doorbell. You gotta tell her we're here for your birthday.
And say, surprise, we're here for your birthday. Don't let me tweet, I'm gonna pose. Did she see it? Hi, Claire! Surprise! Okay, let Addie have a hug. Oh, that's Riley's. I know, because rather than her hair...
Claire, they're here for your birthday!
I like your mini game.
Can you give, hey, what about Aunt Jenny?
Sorry, we're here for your birthday. Are you surprised?
They drove, Claire, they drove all the way from Atlanta.
She looked at the window and she went,
Oh my God.
I know, I saw her window got mad.